A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students of class 11th, subject Environment Science, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to start our new unit, that is natural resources. Natural means kudrati and resources means wasail. Natural resources means kudrati wasail. The word natural resources. Resource means again, and source means spring up. That is something that lies ready for use or can be drawn up for use. A resource is any substance which is useful or can be made useful to meet the needs of living organisms. The substance that is available for use from nature is called natural resources, like fresh air, water, soil, forests, grasslands, minerals, land, fossil fuels, and others. Hence, natural resources are the goods and services produced and supplied by our environment to fulfill the demands of everyone. Thus, any substance from which variable atoms can be drawn or which can be transformed in a way that it becomes more useful. Therefore, resources are said to satisfy human wants, both individual as well as social wants. Social wants means samaji chahat. Now, what are the classification of resources? Classification means darjabandi, classification of resources, wasail ki darjabandi. Resources are mainly classified into two groups. One is renewable resources, number second that is non-renewable resources. Renewable resources means qabiliyat tajdeed wasail. These are those resources which are continuously produced in nature. For example, sunlight, air, forests, soil, etc. Number second, that is non-renewable resources. Gair Qabilit Tajdeed Wasail. These are those resources which are produced in nature once and are in limited quantity. These resources will definitely come to an end one day. For example, coal, petroleum, etc. Earth is a planet provides such resources in abundance to the mankind for its survival and maintenance. Survival and maintenance means baka or bahali. These resources are briefly explained as number first, that is forest resources. Forest means jungle, resource means wasail, forest resource means jungle ke wasail. A forest is a large natural area dominated by trees. The word forest has been derived from ancient French foris, which means outside. A forest is a biome. A forest is a biome. What is this biome? Biome means kudrati khita, a large naturally occurring community of flora and fauna. A forest is a biome with annual precipitation to support growth of various species of trees and small forms of vegetation. It may be also defined as a biotic community predominantly consisting of trees, shrubs, or any other woody vegetation, usually with a closed canopy. Forests usually vary in species composition and density from region to region. Forests are considered to be lifeline of nation because these contributes substantially to the economic development of the country besides checking air pollution, noise pollution, and soil erosion. As of 2019, the total forest cover in India is 7 lakh 12,249 square kilometers. That is 71.22 million hectares, which is 21.6% of the total geographical area, whereas the total forest and tree cover in India is 8 lakh 7,276 square kilometers, that is 80.73 million hectares, which is 24.56% of the total geographical area of the country. India is one of the 10 most forest rich countries of the world. Together, India and these other 9 countries account for 67% of total forest area of the world. Forests are vast natural resources that have been providing a broad array of commodities, amenities, commodities means ajnas, amenities means suhuliyat, and other environmental services to mankind from the dawn of civilization. Forests have been used for thousands of years by mankind, especially by the people who live in or near a forest, and others derive the benefits indirectly, which are necessary for existence of life. Hence, it is impossible to think of life on this planet without forests. Broadly, the use of forests can be categorized into two major groups, that is, direct uses and indirect uses. Direct use of forests. Forests provides us fuel, wood for cooking and warming, food in the form of fruits, leaves, roots, and meat of forest animals, timber for construction and furniture, shelter to wildlife, mammals, birds, insects, reptiles. जब हम shelter of wildlife करेंगे तो forests is habitat for many plants and animals. Paper from bamboo pulp and from other trees, forest products like drugs, insecticides, waxes, honey, etc., fodder for cattle, and many more. These are the direct use of forests. Now, indirect use. Forests also help us in soil conservation by preventing soil erosion, soil improvement by adding organic matter, reduction of atmosphere pollutants, that is carbon dioxide, noise, etc., recharging of groundwater, controlling of climate, transpiration and humidity, etc., and refreshing of atmosphere by adding oxygen. हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इस टाइम नेचुरल रिसोर्स की. what are natural resources? The word resource remains again, and source means spring up, that something that lies ready for use or can be drawn up for use. So classification of resources. Resources are mainly classified into two groups, that are renewable resources and non renewable resources. बाकी इंशाल्लाह आइंदा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.